Because I really like learning while I do things. I think when I was in a classroom getting told what to do and then having to regurgitate it back, I didn't feel like I was getting challenged. I didn't think I was learning enough. I didn't think that I was having fun, which for me is a really big value. So I wanted to do an apprenticeship because I knew that I would be able to do things and learn at the same time. So my apprenticeship journey started after I left college, and I didn't technically do my A-level exams because of the pandemic, and then I did really well. I got a lot of unconditional offers from universities, and then I had a bit of a time cost between apprenticeships and university, and what sold it for me is that I felt like university was always going to be there, that I could revisit, whereas apprenticeships are there for skills that are relevant there and now, and I wanted to get into the working world. So then I applied, and then I didn't go to the cohort I initially wanted, and I contacted Juice and they were like, we can do something else. So I went on the cohort after, and then since completing my apprenticeship, I'm a content manager at a digital marketing agency. I think my apprenticeship really helped me understand what I wanted to do in the future. You can rate it on lots of different things, like fun, learning. I'd give it like a good 9. Because I always think there's room for improvement, always. Like 1,000 out of 10. So my coach was Rebecca, and she was really amazing. I think in the beginning I wasn't used to having someone there all the time because I'm quite independent, and I didn't know how to use my learning coach, if that makes sense. And then it took me a while to understand that actually the support is meant to be used, and when I needed it, it was always there. And I definitely had a lot of ups and downs in my apprenticeship, so I felt way more reassured because it was someone outside of Juice that I could actually turn to, that could support me, that understood what I was learning and why I was learning it. So I think Apprentify just answered a lot of questions that I didn't feel comfortable enough to ask anyone else. So since completing my apprenticeship, I got a full-time job, and then I think I got 2 promotions. I got one from obviously being an apprentice to like a junior exec, and then I was a full-time exec, and now I'm a manager, so I'm a content manager, and I oversee a lot of other things, so social media, ad content, branding, and I get to take care of all of that. So it's been a journey. I think I'm really happy with the path that I'm on. I think my future goals definitely continue to involve management and going towards strategy sides, because I love creating content, but I also love helping others create that content and understanding the why, which is really important in marketing and audience behaviour. So I definitely see myself going down like strategy, management, possibly like directing, like creative director, just somewhere in that realm. Oh, a few words. I'm not good at a few words. I only have an essay. I would say helpful. I would say supportive, and I'd say good listeners. I think I felt heard, which was really important to me because I like to talk a lot.